welcome to the Guide Hub YouTube channel. Today for this video of Guide Hub, I will be showing you how to remove song from Spotify playlist. How to begin the process: open the Spotify application and then get logged in into the account. Once you have been logged in into the account, you need to tap on your library from the bottom option, tap that, and then open a playlist from where you want to remove songs. Tap upon that playlist, and on this page you need to tap on edit playlist on the middle. Tap that. With this you will be directed to this page where you will be able to remove song that you do not want on this playlist. For that, tap on the dotted line just beside the songs. Tap that. It will give you all these options, and from here you can tap on remove from this playlist. Just with that, that song will be removed from your playlist right away. So this is how you can remove songs from Spotify playlist. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Guide Hub YouTube channel. Thank you.